What's up guys, Anthony Cricket here. New board came in today. Got back from school with my girlfriend's and it's here. So that's pretty wicked. Yeah, this is basically going to be an unboxing vid. It's a Route 1 board. It's paid for from my card. Route 1 are basically an English skateboard brand. Maybe we could chat from that. I do like a shop as well. They do basically just cheap deals on everything that I need and want. Okay. Just cut that now. I've scratched the graphic already. It's 8.5 wide. Only cost me £30. And got some socks and bolts in there as well, I think. So let's cut this open. My old cricket deck is very nearly at breaking point, so I thought I'll order a new one in. So I ordered a new one in. So this. I've skated a Route 1 deck before, but I've never actually owned one, and I thought they were really good boards, so I thought I'll get myself one of those. Right. What's that? Fracture grip. I don't know what texture it is. I don't know if it's marble dress-up or what. Some diamond T-rod bolts. They seem alright. Don't seem nothing special. Some DVS socks. Why not, man? Route 1 catalogue. Don't know what that is. Oh, wicked. Got shitloads of stickers. Wicked. Don't know what that is either. That's the issue number, and this is made in Europe, because I think that's what it's made in. And there you go, there's the deck, and there's the graphic. It's pretty sick. I like it. You got 30 quid. Made in USA, made in Europe. Made for USA even, not made in.